This is an update on the story of Cwecwe, the 7-year-old who got sexually assaulted allegedly within the school premises of View College. It is alleged that there are three suspects in Cwecwe's case, including the principal, who completely refused with his uh, DNA to be tested. The principal acted dodgy, further expelling Cwecwe from the school and now is being represented legally by AfriForum. The Department of Education has then decided to close down the school. This sparked a whole lot of revolution all around the country. People fighting for justice for this case to be taken seriously. This is NMU, Nelson Mandela University students fighting for justice and marching for justice for the 7-year-old Cwecwe. It is alleged that the school principal has finally given his biological samples for DNA testing. The police are currently waiting for the return of the DNA results, and unfortunately, no suspects have been arrested so far.